Space, the final frontier, but not for Scottish space engineering company Prospect, who are blending space engineering with quantum science. As part of a European Space Agency-funded project, Prospect are leading the development of a quantum key distribution system that will help make encryption resilient to being cracked by immense power of quantum computers. These systems will form a critical part of future cybersecurity defences, complementing and integrated into emerging quantum security networks across space and ground. The system is designed to provide higher levels of data assurance and to be resilient to cyber attacks that target the encryption key sharing networks. To ensure the space-based quantum key distribution service itself is resilient to cyber attacks, Prospect partnered with Barrier Networks, a leading cybersecurity managed service provider who specialise in OT security.
We need to find new tools to protect our networks from increasingly sophisticated threats and novel cyber attacks made possible by quantum computing. With thousands of satellites already hurtling high above our heads, able to traverse the globe in minutes, space provides the perfect medium for global, scalable and responsive coverage. Using very small satellites, also known as CubeSats, we can add these new nodes cost-effectively to augment the emergence of highly secure networks for quantum-safe key delivery.
The quantum key distribution system comprises of ground stations, which can communicate with the low Earth orbit satellites. The quantum keys are generated in space using a quantum random number generator on board the satellite and are communicated down to Earth using a laser. The science of quantum mechanics related to the photons being transmitted provides assurance that the keys have not been interfered with in transit.
The QKD system provides a way for governments, financial services and other industries to implement quantum-safe encryption, but the QKD system itself had to be secured against cyber attacks, which may try to access the onboard key generation components and key material. We leveraged our knowledge of industrial control systems and operational technology security to help Prospect build a space-based quantum key distribution system that is secure by design.
In addition to laser communication from satellites down to the ground stations, there is a radio uplink between the ground station and the satellites that provide mission control with satellite management, from the mission center computers up to the satellite control system. The QKD system contains a mixture of IT and OT networks which must be secured appropriately. This was one of the drivers that brought Prospect and Barrier Networks together in partnership. Combining Prospect's expertise in space engineering with Barrier Networks' cybersecurity knowledge of IT and OT networks.
We engaged Barrier to conduct an OT cyber risk technical assessment as part of an OT security improvement programme. Their OT assessment helped us identify, document and then remediate physical cyber risks within our SCADA and control system environments. The team at Barrier used their expertise in OT to help us manage physical cyber risks better and to build security into our wider security strategy. They worked on site with our electrical and mechanical engineers to help bridge the gap between OT and IT challenges, and their understanding of specific challenges and threats OT networks are faced with was invaluable.
The computer network supporting quantum key transmissions from space down to ground-based encryption devices has been designed to use industrial-grade networking equipment built by Cisco Systems. The network security components have to be robust enough to withstand the rigours of an operational environment that could be located anywhere, from an oil rig to a remote field hospital. Cisco's CyberVision product was selected to perform OT traffic analysis and vulnerability management, helping the Barrier SOC to maintain and secure OT components, such as PLCs and HMIs. Space-based quantum key distribution will help secure our data now and in the future.